Madam, we welcome you. We hear that you've been here for the past few days, and thank you for coming to Fiji, specifically coming to the Ministry of Health, one of our institutions here at Fiji Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Services. And this is where the logistics supply chain of the Ministry of Health is centered. I'd like to thank you for coming all the way here. Sorry we're outside, it's a bit warm, but we'll try and keep the program short so that we can have you on the way again.
It's been a pleasure for me at last to come to Fiji. I've waited quite a long time for the opening up so that I could present my credentials, which I did yesterday in a very lovely ceremony at the President's office in the State House. And I thank the Minister of Health and the Minister of Economy for help to arrange this. You know, we've been through difficult times, both countries, all of us, in fact, going through COVID ups and downs. And we tried in the best possible way, in our small way, to help other countries go through their difficulties. And this is a small token of the help that our Singapore company, the Singapore Corporation Enterprise, has offered to the Ministry of Economy to share our problems and help each other out. And I'm very pleased that I'm here at the right time to see the handing over of this small amount of help that we are able to provide. I thank you all for showing up for this event, and I thank the ministers for arranging it so quickly and in good time for me to be part of the show. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me much pleasure, Your Excellency. Thank you for being here with us this morning. As she highlighted, as the Honourable Minister for Health also highlighted, while she says it's small, but these surgical masks and hand sanitizers will go a long way. To build a house, you need a lot of bricks. And this is one of those many bricks that will help build a house. But I would like to also acknowledge the work that the Fijian Government is doing with the Singapore Corporation Enterprise. They, in fact, have been helping us with the rollout of a Digital Fiji program, working very closely with our Digital Fiji team in respect of the Companies Office, the Titles Office, the LOU list that also is currently, some of the work is being done in that respect. And there's quite a lot of work that's going to be done furthermore. So we'd like to, of course, deepen that relationship and learn from the Singapore experience. Because, in Singapore, I remember a few years ago, we went and they were very concerned because they thought that the time it took to register a company, 15 minutes was too long. So they wanted to reduce it to 5 minutes or 3 minutes. So that's the sort of standard that they have, and this is standard that we, of course, would like to aspire to. And this is why we are working very closely with them. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for this. We welcome you to Fiji in person. We've met you a few times on our way through Singapore and to various other destinations. Good to have you here in person. And we're very grateful for this assistance you are providing. As the Minister for Health said, that these things will actually go a long way. We have our schools that are about to open up very soon. The schools have not opened up for quite some time. And so this, of course, could be diverted to the schools, in particular schools that are in remote areas where they have, don't have easy access to a lot of these amenities and facilities, in particular in the maritime areas, they could use, and that would be of enormous help and assistance to them. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. We look forward to you coming to Fiji once again in a number of occasions. Please, you should become semi-resident in Fiji, I think. Vinaka Vakalevu, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Singapore government and Singapore people. Thank you.